Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? I'm going to do a quick unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. What I have here is the silver color Watch Active, and it's available in 3 other different color: the blue, the black, and the rose gold. Let's look at the box. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. On the side here, say lightweight smartwatch, advanced auto, fitness tracking, GPS, swim ready, water resistant. Let's open the box and check it out. See, we have anything here? Yep, we do. See what's inside. Alright, quick start guide and the warranty. What's this right here? Alright, I guess this is the additional band that's included with the watch, and this should be the longer band. That's nice of them to give the extra band. The iWatch never does that. And here is the Watch Active. Let's put that aside right now. See what else we have. Okay, what's in here? I guess this should be the wireless charging pad. And it doesn't come with the wall adapter, so you're gonna have to use one that you already have at home, or you have an outlet that have a built-in USB Type A charging port. This is a magnetic wireless charging pad, like the Apple iWatch. That's too bad that they didn't include the wall adapter, because it's really inexpensive. They should have just include one. Alright, let's check out the watch. The band is made out of silicone. It's very soft and flexible. And if you don't like the band that comes with the watch, it's very easy to replace. On the bottom side of the band here, there's this latch. All you need to do is pull down the latch and the band pop right out. That's how easy it is to replace the band if you don't like it. You can go out, shop for one that you like to replace the band, and it's very easy to put back on. There we go. Okay. And the Watch Active have the heart rate sensor in the back here. Very lightweight. The casing is stainless steel. And as you can see right here, the Watch Active doesn't have the rotating dial like the other Galaxy watch. Like what I have here is the Galaxy Gear S3 watch. You have the rotating dial here, but it's very bulky. So as you can see here, the Watch Active is lightweight, compact, a lot smaller than the Gear S3. What we have here is a 1.1 inch Super AMOLED Gorilla Glass display. The resolution is 360 by 360. Come with 4 GB of internal storage, 230 milliamp of battery life. It lasts up to like 45 days or probably a day and a half. Have NFC for Samsung Pay, run on Tizen 4.0 OS, and it's IP68, water resistant. And it does have auto workout detection. Let's turn on the watch. Alright, the Watch Active is powered on. So guys, if you own a Samsung Galaxy S10 or Note 10, you can use the S10 and Note 10 to charge the watch active because the Note 10 and S10 come with really cool feature. It's called reverse wireless charging. So all you need to do is turn your phone on, go up to the screen and pull down your control panel and look for wireless power share. Click on it. And there you go, wireless power share activated. And flip your phone over and just drop your watch active right onto the back of the phone and we will start charging. So guys, if you have any questions, any comments about the watch active, drop it down below. To support my channel, please click on the subscribe button and remember to click on the bell button to get notification for new videos update. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.